Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the most innovative and exciting living solutions out there. Dreaming of tiny home living? Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, surrounded by nature, in a home that's both stylish and functional. Well, I've got something that'll blow your mind. If you've ever thought about downsizing or living more sustainably, this is for you. Introducing the 20ft Expandable Prefab house, the ultimate gift for minimalists. This isn't just any tiny home, it's a marvel of modern engineering. This tiny home is a total game changer. It combines the best of portability, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Seriously, whether you're looking for a portable house, an off-grid retreat, or a stylish backyard guest house, this prefab beauty is the perfect blend of convenience, style, and functionality. Imagine having a home that you can take anywhere, set up in your backyard, or use as a serene getaway. Why is this tiny home a must-have? Let me break it down for you. There are so many reasons why this could be the perfect addition to your life. First up, it's expandable and foldable. This means you can adjust the size of your living space based on your needs. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like having a home that grows with you. It transforms in minutes to give you more living space. Whether you need extra room for guests or just want to stretch out, this home has got you covered. Imagine having a cozy little spot that can double in size when you need it. How cool is that? It's perfect for those spontaneous gatherings or just when you need a bit more room to breathe. Next, it's durable and weather resistant. Built to withstand the elements, this home ensures you stay safe and comfortable no matter the weather. Built to last in any climate, so you don't have to worry about storms or extreme weather. Whether it's snow, rain or wind, this home stands strong. You get peace of mind knowing your home is tough and resilient just like you. It's like having a fortress that you can rely on. And let's talk about multi-purpose use. This tiny home is incredibly versatile. This tiny home is perfect for Airbnbs, guest houses, or full-time minimalist living. It adapts to whatever you need it to be. Whether you're hosting guests or living in it yourself, it adapts to your needs effortlessly. It's like having a chameleon that fits perfectly into any situation. Plus, it's so easy to set up. No need for complicated instructions or professional help. Move in ready with plug-and-play electrical and plumbing compatibility. Just plug it in and you're good to go. No need to stress about complicated installations. It's designed to make your life easier. Just set it up and start living your best life. Imagine the freedom of moving into your new home without any hassle. The perfect gift for minimalists and adventure seekers. This home is not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle choice. Looking for a unique, life-changing gift for a loved one? This could be it. This portable container home is ideal for tiny home lovers, travelers, and anyone seeking financial freedom through minimal living. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Imagine giving someone the gift of freedom, mobility, and a clutter-free lifestyle. It's like handing them the keys to a new way of living. It's not just a home, it's a transformative experience. It changes the way you think about space and living. Want to check it out for yourself? Head to the link in the video description and the comments below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. So, would you live in a tiny home? Comment below and let's talk tiny living. I'm curious to hear your thoughts and experiences. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your feedback and stories are what make this community special. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home and lifestyle content. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and innovations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Your support means the world to us, like subscribe and hit the bell for more home and lifestyle content. Until next time, happy tiny living.